Hello, everyone, and welcome to our newest campfire cooking episode hosted by the Greater Sudbury Public Library Cooking Club. Make some hot coals and get your roasting sticks ready as we'll be sharing 5 recipes for tasty campfire snacks the whole family will love. Let's get started by making a banana boat. For this recipe, you'll need a banana, a sheet of tinfoil, a paring knife, and some toppings. I recommend marshmallows, chocolate chips, or nuts, but feel free to add anything you like. First, lay a sheet of tinfoil down on your workspace. Next, make a lengthwise cut in the banana, being careful not to slice through the peel on the other side. Then push the two pieces to the side to make an opening in the middle. Fill the opening with your toppings of choice and push the sides back together, trying to close up the banana as best you can. Wrap the whole thing in tinfoil. Place just outside your burning fire, near or on a bed of hot coals. Cook for 10 or 15 minutes, flipping periodically. Then unwrap and enjoy. Next, we'll be making easy quesadillas. For this recipe, you'll want to have tinfoil, tortilla wraps, chopped peppers, chopped onions or chives, and shredded cheese on hand. If you want to get fancy, you can add a pinch of taco seasoning to your vegetables, and I suggest bringing along a container of salsa or Greek yogurt for dipping once your quesadillas are cooked. Once again, cover your workspace with a sheet of tinfoil. Lay your tortilla wrap flat on top. Cover one side with shredded cheese, chopped peppers, and onions. Fold your tortilla in half. Wrap the whole thing with your sheet of tinfoil. Place in the fire on or near a bed of hot coals. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes, flipping the package periodically. Check to see if the cheese is melted and the tortilla is brown, then unwrap and enjoy with your salsa and plain yogurt. Let's move on to a classic campfire snack, the spider dog. For this recipe, you'll need hot dogs, a paring knife, a roasting stick, and whatever condiments you like. Make a lengthwise cut in your hot dog about 1/3 from the end. Do the same thing on the other end. Rotate the hot dog 90 degrees and make 2 more identical cuts, so you have 4 legs at both ends of the hot dog. Spear your roasting stick through the middle of the hot dog and roast over hot coals until the edges curl up and are toasty brown. Let your spider dog cool for a moment, then serve with your condiments of choice. Next up, we've got fluffy strawberries. You'll need strawberries, wooden skewers and/or roasting sticks, and marshmallow fluff, which you can purchase or easily make at home in advance. First, pierce a strawberry with one of the skewers. Dip the strawberry in the fluff, rotating until it is covered in a solid layer. Roast the strawberry over your fire pit until the marshmallow is golden brown on all sides, and enjoy. Moving along to our cinnamon roll-ups recipe. For this snack, you'll need a plate sprinkled with a combination of cinnamon and sugar, a paring knife, a roasting stick, and a tube of pre-made or a ball of homemade crescent roll dough. Start by unrolling your dough and detaching one of the sections. Sprinkle the section with cinnamon sugar. Place your roasting stick on one side of the dough, then roll it up. If you like, you can sprinkle more cinnamon mixture as you go. When the dough is wrapped around the stick, pinch it onto itself so that it won't fall off while roasting. Then roast away. Your roll is ready to eat when the dough looks crispy golden brown. Finally, we'll be making a batch of campfire popcorn. You'll need popcorn kernels, a roasting stick, tin foil, some kind of oil, vegetable, olive, or even coconut would work, and whatever seasonings you would enjoy: salt, pepper, curry, cinnamon, dill, etc. Lay a sheet of tin foil across your work surface. Fairly large is best. Lay your roasting stick down, making sure you have a few inches of tinfoil further down the handle end of the stick. Add your kernels to the center, as well as oil and seasoning. Now we're going to wrap it all up into a spacious packet. You want to create a vessel around your roasting stick that's big enough for the kernels to pop and expand. Lay a second sheet of tinfoil over top and pinch the sides closed, testing often as you wrap to make sure the whole thing is secure. Pinch the end of the foil around the stick, making sure it's closed super tight. We don't want our packet falling into the fire. Dangle your packet over a bed of hot coals. When the temperature of the kernels gets hot enough, you will hear them start to pop. Let the kernels pop over consistent heat until there is a 5-second pause between pops. Then remove from the heat, let cool, unwrap, and enjoy. Thanks for checking out these simple campfire recipes. How did your snacks turn out? Which was your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below. For more cooking inspiration, check out our YouTube channel or join the GSPL Cooking Club on Facebook.